Hello, Lucky. I lost my beloved dog 6 years ago, and I still miss him deeply. After watching your video, I feel like pets are very real. Can you help me make a wool felt pet?
Of course, I'd be delighted to help you with that.